Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows. Now I'm going to prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to take that shade right there and put that in my crease. For my lid shades, I'm going to go back in that same palette and I'm going to use that shade on my lids. I'm also going to the Makeup Revolution by Tammi Tropical Carnival eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use that light purple as well as that darker purple and put those in my lids as well. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. And please make sure you click the like button on my shorts and my videos because that helps my channel as well. Next, I'm using the Covergirl Get In Line Liquid Liner in Black Vinyl. Now I'm using the House of Lashes eyelash glue and the Ioni Lashes. To make sure there's no gap showing while I put my lashes, I'm going to use the Sephora eye pencil. I'm also going to use the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. To keep my face matte and keep it from getting oily, I'm using the Be Pure Blurring Press Powder in medium deep. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this in the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Medium 3 Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in dark. And I'm going to use the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. And I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Setting Powder and Cinnamon Bun, and I'm using this to set where I had the concealer at, and also to do reverse contouring. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Volume 4 palette, and I'm just going to take that top shade and use that for my blush. To highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter, and I'm just going to use that middle shade to highlight. For lips, I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and the Garden of Juvia's Lip Gloss in Lavender. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this monochromatic purple eyeshadow look that I did. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because it helps my channel as well. Also, please comment and share. I would love to hear from you all. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. If you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.